The Ohio State University Veterinary Medical Center has been delivering comprehensive, compassionate care to animals since 1885, and we continue that legacy today. The Veterinary Medical Center is comprised of 3 hospitals: the Hospital for Companion Animals, specializing in advanced, leading-edge care for dogs, cats, and other pets; the Hospital for Farm Animals, offering unparalleled expertise in farm animal care; and the Galbreath Equine Center, a world-renowned specialty emergency and wellness center for horses. The veterinarians at all 3 hospitals are under the leadership of board-certified faculty specialists, and this is but one of the many things that makes us unique.
Having board-certified veterinarians is beneficial because it means that we've gone through an extended training period beyond veterinary school. It means that the latest technologies and therapies we've been trained to try and provide.
They've been very professional and very friendly, which puts the owner at ease then, and you feel confident that everything's going to go well.
In our service specifically, we have a team of 3 faculty members. Very few places have that many neurologists.
With such a highly skilled faculty and staff, you'll receive a level of care that you just won't get anywhere else. Our specialty services mirror those found in human medicine, so whether your animal needs cardiology or oncology services, we've got an expert who can help.
Knowing that I can walk down the hallway and speak to a cardiologist, an oncologist, a neurologist, a surgeon, an internal medicine specialist makes my job a little bit easier, as I'm able to get a lot of expert input on the cases that I'm trying to help manage.
One of the best things about Ohio State is that we really all work together. There is a significant amount of collegiality here, and the staff, the faculty, everybody contributes.
We get multiple eyes and hands on a case to help us figure out what's going on.
They're amazingly dedicated and super smart. You know, I read everything they write and give me, and I'm always impressed.
We've got a really cohesive group of people that definitely their focus and their goal is patient care.
We offer cutting-edge procedures, diagnosis and treatment options, including access to the latest new developments through clinical trials that are designed to complement the care that you get from your family veterinarian.
Animals come to Ohio State and particularly to the cardiology service or the other specialty services when they're referred by their veterinarian. So their veterinarian recognizes a problem and wants it evaluated in either a little more of a unique way or hasn't been able to determine exactly what the underlying cause is.
The nice thing about this place is that we get an animal in that has a heart murmur, and it's a large animal, and it potentially has value as a breeding animal. We can call a cardiologist that is an expert in just the heart, and he can come look at it and evaluate the heart. And there's a variety of things that we can do that most practices just don't have the resources to do that.
In fact, we're the veterinary hospital that veterinarians across the country trust with their own pets, like New Jersey veterinarian Dr. Josh Levinson and his dog Theo.
I think that as a veterinarian, I can tell the nature of a veterinary hospital in a way that's a little bit more, has a little bit more depth than somebody who's not as familiar with the field. And considering that, I'm impressed. And the quality of the medicine is legitimately good.
We have veterinarians that specialize in anesthesia, in radiology, cardiology, orthopedic surgery, and in addition in various species: equine specialists, cattle specialists, dog and cat specialists. So you won't find in the state of Ohio or surrounding areas any other facility with the breadth of specialties and the comprehensive nature of care that can be given to animals here at Ohio State.
The team approach between our specialist and your family veterinarian gives your animal unparalleled medical options.
I think the important thing to know for referring veterinarians sending their patients to Ohio State is that we're all part of the same team. So our goal and their goal and the client's goal is to get the dog feeling better. And the benefit of sending their patient to Ohio State really is the breadth and the novel care that we can offer to them. So we have the newest facilities, we have the most state-of-the-art techniques.
Located on a world-renowned campus, our specialty care includes access to clinical trials and the latest treatments. We've always been a leader in discovery and research, like development of the first feline leukemia vaccine that has saved countless cats' lives, and development and continual refinement of total hip replacement in dogs.
Everybody's moving forward here and just really working hard to advance patient care, to advance the quality of the service that we provide to our clients and to referring veterinarians.
I think OSU Veterinarian Hospital really gets involved in cutting edge research and our, have the facilities to actually do that type of work.
And we're here when you need us, 24 hours a day, every day. When your veterinarian's office is closed, our emergency department is fully staffed with highly skilled veterinarians and technicians, and board-certified specialists are always available.
I've been in the emergency department with several of my animals over time, and they're always amazing. I mean, they're here, they're always available. You just rush right in, they get you right in.
I think the great things about the emergency services here is that, one, we're here 24/7. Two is that you have access to some great specialists, whether it's faculty in the emergency critical care department, faculty in other departments, residents in our department throughout the university who are there on call 24/7 to come attend to any cases that are in the hospital.
Through the process, we balance cutting-edge care with compassion. We know how much your animals mean to you, and our veterinarians and staff feel the same way about your beloved animals.
He's not just my horse, he's my friend, and because of that, he's healthy today. And we're enjoying victories of life. We're back to showing and trail riding and just having a great time.
This is why I went into veterinary medicine, really to be able to help animals and see them take care of the sickest patients and try to see them through that process and get them back home to their owners where they can then go be dogs and cats and, members of the household.
The experience at Ohio State is amazing. It's traumatic when you have a vet emergency or even when you just have a very sick pet. But when you come in, they treat you with compassion, they explain things over and over if necessary, they look for some new treatments.
I am being entrusted with the care of something so important, of a family member. It truly is a privilege.